clarity isn't just about what you say, it's about your purpose and how it flows through everything you do, your people, your customers, and your impact. Many founders have brilliant businesses, but they struggle to explain them clearly. They talk about what they do instead of the change that they make. And when your story is tangled, your growth becomes tangled too. The Wyseminds Value Elevator Pitch helps you untangle that step by step so that your story is as strong as your business. Because clarity isn't just about what you say, it's about your purpose and how it flows through everything you do, your people, your customers, and your impact. So grab a piece of paper and as we go, write down one line for each level. Of course, you're going to have to pause the video. By the end, you're going to have the foundations of a value elevator pitch. 6 levels that connect what you believe with how you work. So let's begin at level 1, purpose. What for? Start with your belief, your heartbeat of the business. Your prompt here is, I believe, or we exist to. And I'm going to give you an example of a company we all know, Patagonia. So, for example, they would write here, we're in the business to save our home planet. That single sentence from Patagonia holds its belief, its urgency, and its direction. It's the foundation for everything they do. Level 2, your identity. Who are you? Now anchor that belief in who you are as a founder or business. So a prompt here would be, as the founder of, or as a company, we. So Patagonia example, as a company, we see ourselves as activists using business as a force for good. Identity turns your belief into a voice. It gives your business a voice. Level 3, your values. What matters most? Define the principles that guide your decisions and behaviours, your non-negotiables. A prompt here is to list 2 or 3 values. For example, authenticity, responsibility and respect for nature are Patagonia's. And these values set this emotional tone of your brand and leadership. Level 4, capabilities. How you bring it to life. Show how you make your belief real. So a prompt here would be, we bring this to life by. An example of Patagonia would be, we bring this to life by designing high quality, repairable gear and encouraging customers to buy less, not more. Capabilities turn belief into action. It's like a bridge that takes what you believe and makes it actually real. Level 5, behaviours. What do people see? You're going to now translate those capabilities into what people actually experience. You'll see this is the prompt here. So for Patagonia, it's, you'll see this in our worn wear program, which repairs and resells used products to extend their life. Behaviours prove that purpose isn't just words, it's lived, it's not something you just make up. Level 6, the final, environment. Where it lives, where do you do it from? What's your playground? The prompt here is, it happens, and then where. So the example of Patagonia is it happens everywhere we operate, from local repair trucks to our global supply chain, where sustainability drives every decision. This is where purpose meets impact. Now you're going to read your 6 lines aloud. You'll hear how belief flows through identity, values and actions until your purpose becomes visible in everything your business does. That's what the Wyseminds Value Elevator Pitch helps you to do, to describe not just what you sell, but what you stand for in a way that everybody you interact with will understand. This isn't about polishing words, it's about finding your voice within the business, and that is what brings you clarity. Now, if you'd like more guided templates or examples or a live session that I pre-recorded on this, join the free Wyseminds membership and get these experiences and this advice for free on webinars, on our community wall, and of course, share your experience. Growth of your business begins with your story, one clear line at a time. And I hope to see you soon on Wise Minds. Enjoy.